In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and format text in Photoshop with the Type tool. Let's get started by finding the Type tool in the toolbar. You'll recognize it by the letter T. You can also press the T key on your keyboard to select it quickly. When you click and hold on the Type tool icon, you'll see two main options. The horizontal Type tool is the standard choice for left to right text, perfect for most projects like headlines, captions, and labels. The vertical Type tool flows top to bottom, which can be useful for certain design styles or languages that read vertically. Choose the one that matches your layout and the way you want your text to appear. Now add your text to the canvas. With the Type tool active, click anywhere on your document. You'll see a blinking text cursor appear, signaling that you're ready to type. Go ahead and start entering your text. As soon as you do, Photoshop automatically creates a new text layer in the Layers panel. This is important because it keeps your text fully editable, so you can adjust the wording, style, and appearance at any time without affecting other parts of your design. If you need multiple text elements, simply click elsewhere on the canvas and type again to create additional text layers. Keeping each piece of text on its own layer helps you organize your project and makes later adjustments easier. With your text in place, let's format it using the options bar at the top of the screen. First, choose a font family that suits your design. Pick something readable and appropriate for your message. Clean sans serifs work well for modern designs, while serifs often feel more classic. Next, adjust the font style. Depending on the font, you might have bold, italic, or other variations available. Use these purposefully to create emphasis without overdoing it. Set your size so the text is easy to read at the final output. Remember that what looks large on screen may feel smaller on print or mobile, so keep your destination in mind. Then, choose the alignment, left, center, or right, to match the composition of your layout and the space you're working with. Finally, click the color swatch in the options bar to pick a text color. Aim for strong contrast against the background to ensure legibility, and preview your choice before confirming. That's it. By selecting the right Type tool, clicking to add your text, and using the options bar to fine-tune font style, size, alignment, and color, you'll create clean, professional text that fits